Thank you guys for everything.
Yes. Diba, ganyan ba? Pamas lang, pamas.
Alam mo yan. And then, thank you guys kasi, syempre, after all this time, na-feel ko naman na you guys parang welcomed me with open arms kahit na third week na ako pumasok dito.
Kamusta naman yung second month ka ba namin nakita, di ba?
Oo. Kamusta naman yung first week naging 3 months? So, yun. Tapos, we had a good run. You guys are a bunch of awesome people. Hindi na me, sorry. You guys are a bunch of awesome people and I know...
Hindi talaga kinalimutan niya.
Sorry. I know we still have the chance sa outside world to appreciate and see how truly more awesome each and one of us are. Kasi syempre dito, medyo cautious pa tayo ng konti. Pero I know outside, doon tayo yung super open na talaga sa isa't isa. It was fun. This whole experience, sobrang masaya for me. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako. And yun, thank you guys for everything. Thank you guys. I love you. I love you all. I love you all. Walang anong keme or anything. No BS whatsoever.
Drink your Emmy.
I love you. 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 Yan. Yan lang.
Love you, Kuya.
Cheers.
Si Kuya pa.
I love you, Kuya. And Boracay Ram.
Ako rin! Say that. Snatter.
Ako, Denise, like, she's always there when you need someone to talk to. The good thing about Denise is she knows how to listen. The bad thing about her is she doesn't know how to take a compliment.
Sorry. Sorry.
Hindi mo lang alam kung ilang times na ako na sobrang down tapos kinausap mo ako na sobrang... I'm sure everyone can relate.
Of course.
Yeah, to everyone else, it's all like...
Always there.
Coming from Slater, it's...
Di ba minsan lang ako nagsasabi ng...
Cheers later.
Go!
Brother.
So, yan ka rin.
Say
Grabe.
Yan, pigil-pigil.
Strong-strong ang peg ko ngayon.
Ayan, yan na. Okay, ayan na.
Yan, ba?
Hintayin muna natin tumulang-mulang lubak.
Hindi, no.
Ayan. Stay!
Bro.
The best time. We drank here.
Kasi next time ako.
Yan, siguro Denise, thank you for listening to me. It's a short while. Sobrang konti lang ng moment natin dahil most of it may animosity towards each other dahil yun nga siguro we didn't start right. So again, siguro I apologize for that, but don't worry. Sabi mo nga lahat ng bagay may katapusan. So sana yung animosity or yung dislikeness ay may katapusan din.
May katapusan niya, hindi na nagbibigay si Kuya ng disinfectant spray. Wala ka dito? Wala na. Your personal,
Yan, well, with everybody else,
Denise, sana nakita ko yung babae sa labas para...
Sa English na lang, go.
Like, just like you. You showed me that you're such a caring person. I really wish I could find a girl like that outside because that attracts me.
ba't di na si Denise?
Yeah. Later.
Yeah, Denise. Grabe ka, ha? Ay, grabe ka.
Grabe ako.